Welcome to the video, guys. So in today's video I will show you how you can do the average corner clip in Roblox super easily. First of all, we will of course take our character and find an approximate map for this and go press shift to use this shift lock feature because we will need it. When we activate the shift lock, we will go into like this similarly shaped corner and we will jam one of our shoulders into the outer part of this wall. As you can see, this wall is two-parted. We will not go into this corner. We will go into this corner and make sure our arm and shoulder is all the way in there. Then we will deactivate the shift lock by pressing shift again. Then using our camera movement, we will turn it to face us. And of course, I prefer to get it a little closer to me. So you can see my shoulder right now is jammed to the wall. Then when I do this, I will press shift again. And as you can see, right now I'm on the other side of the wall. So that's how it works. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you are able to do the shift lock yourself too. Have a great day and goodbye.